Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today is my daily art challenge day 15, and what I did this morning is just this bird in pastels. I used the Artist Loft oil pastels in assorted colors. So blues and greens, oranges and browns, and I would say it took me about an hour. I used both my fingers as well as some paper towels to do some of the smudging. And I just drew an outline of the bird and the twig, that went in with greens and blues to create the background, smudged that in, then different browns to make the branch, smudged that in, and then I decided to go in with some of the oranges and yellows and light colors here to create the bird. Also smudged that, put in the eye, the beak, the claws there, and that's about it. Just a very quick video just to show you what I did, and hope everyone's having a great Saturday, and I'll see you soon. Bye.